A year and a half ago, we decided to help an old friend clean his woodworking shop. Amidst the clutter, we unearthed a hidden gem, a forgotten oak dining table. Before beginning the restoration work, we needed to prepare a proper workspace. This would be a workbench, a foundation of this and many future restorations. As we began work on the oak table, its true beauty began to emerge. With a good balance of patience and hard work, we created a masterpiece combining nostalgia and function. A simple favor turned into a centerpiece for family memories. We think it turned out pretty great.